Hey TikTokers! Today I'm going to show you how to upload HD or high-quality videos on TikTok without losing any of that crispness. Open TikTok on your device. Let's upload a new video. You can either record a video directly from the camera or upload one from your photo gallery. For this demonstration, I'll be uploading a video I recently shot. Select your video and tap on the Next button in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to the page where you can add your description, hashtags, and more. But before proceeding, tap on the More Options button. Scroll down a bit and look for the Allow High-Quality Uploads option. Make sure this is enabled or turned on. If it was disabled, TikTok might have compressed your video to save data, resulting in lower quality uploads. Now, let's check the second solution. Go to your TikTok profile. Tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner of your screen to open the menu. Select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down until you find the Data Saver option under the Cache and Cellular section. If it's enabled, make sure to disable it. This option conserves mobile data by compressing videos, which can reduce quality. And that's it. Those are the steps to upload high-quality videos on TikTok. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more TikTok tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.